Hi mga palangga, Biboy here, your Langga vlogger, and welcome to another vlog! Hi mga palangga! Again, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to make a review of a product. Yes guys, we're gonna make a review and I am so excited for this one. And as you can see, I already have my makeup on because I just finished filming one vlog. And because you know guys, kailangan natin magsipag. I know you guys are atat na for makeup vlogs. Again guys, we're gonna make a product review for today. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button. Also click the subscribe button down there and share this with your friends. And also click the notification bell for you to be notified every time I have a new upload. So without further ado, let's go to the video. Guess what? The product that we will be reviewing. Look at that! It's a Jeffree Star Cosmetics, the Androgyny eyeshadow palette. Look at that guys. I am so excited for this one. I really cannot imagine myself having this palette. Oh my god. I am so excited. So before we start reviewing this product, I just want to say thank you so much to Tita Eunice and to Angel as well for giving me this palette. So this was a gift actually because Tita went to Manila just to purchase this one. And I really did not expect na bibilhan pala ako ni Tita na ganyan. Oh my gosh, thank you so much Tita. So let me read this one for you. It says here that it's 10 jaw-dropping shades. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's long-lasting, it's buttery and delicious. Pwede mo makain ko? Tara. Here is our version of a neutral palette. The ingredients is here. Distributed by Jeffree Star Cosmetics Corporation, Calabasas, California 91302. Made in USA. www.jeffreestarcosmetics.com. Instagram.com/Jeffree Star Cosmetics. YouTube.com/Jeffree Star. And the price is here. It's 2,990. Thank you so much, Tita. You know what, guys? I'm a very big fan of Jeffree Star. I used to watch him on YouTube. What I like about him is that he gives me tips if this product has to be purchased or not, if it's Jeffree Star approved or not. Also, when he started his makeup line, I was so excited to have one. Kahit hindi ko ma-imagine kung paano kasi sobrang mahal naman talaga dito. So, are you excited to open this palette? Oh my god, sobrang excited ko na. Sige na, go na. Open na natin ito. Ooh, look at that. It's pink. It's hot pink. Bakit naman pa? Oh my god. Ba't parang wala! Diyos ko po! Open na natin. Oh my god! Oh my god guys! Basa! Oh my god! Sayang! Oh my god, paano ba to? Wait lang. Oh my god, sayang talaga. Di ko alam paano nabasag to. Ay, sayang. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh my god, sobrang sayang. I'm sorry, tita. Di ko alam paano nabasag to. Tingnan nyo guys, meron siyang 10 shades. Meron Frosting, Safe Word, Charm, Deja Vu, Dominatrix, Androgyny, The Fetish, Military, Poison. Ito yung nabasag kong Poison. Sa Swallow. Oh my god, sayang. Ay, maghahanap na lang ako guys ng hack kung paano ito ma-fix. Pagkakalam ko, pwedeng lagyan ng alcohol to eh. Tapos, i-press lang para ma-form ulit. Lagyan ko na lang kaya ng alcohol. Wait lang guys. Tingnan nyo guys, I was trying to fix this. Look at that. Nilagyan ko ng alcohol. And tingnan nyo guys ang kamay ko. Sobrang pigmented as in girl. Sobra talaga. Ngayon sana maayos to. Tingnan nyo guys. Sobrang grabe talaga yung formula nito. Hindi ko alam kung paano ginawa ni Jeffree to. Pero my god. Sana lahat ng product sa Pinas ganito. I'll give you a swatch of this palette. First shade I have here is the frosting. Ooh, look at that! Oh my god. So good. Let me try this safe word. This one. Sobrang dumi kasi ng kamay ko. It's nudish. I have the charm. What the heck? Oh my god, sobrang ganda. Also the deja vu. It's frosted. Ooh! Sobra saya ng swatches na ito. Let me try the Dominatrix. Pinig sobrang ano ko to, sobrang bet ko to. Oh my god. Parang ano, parang pastel girl. Let me try the Androgyny. Ito. Wow. Let me try the Fetish. Let me also try the Military. This greenish thing. Wow. Ooh. Try ko yung poison for you guys. Konting dip ko lang. Basta pa kasi. Ooh. And the last one is the shallow. I'm sorry, it's swallow. Oh my god, ang gaganda girl! Feeling ko ito perfect to for brides. And ito, if pasok to pag pageants, mga ganito. Oh my god, ang gaganda! I'll try to do my eyes with this palette. And nag-iisip ako kung anong gusto mong i-try dito. Feeling ko I'm gonna try this. Charm will be my transition shade. I'll also use the Fetish, and I'll be using this frosting for my inner lip. So this will be the brush that I'll be using. I'm gonna start with the Charm. Oh my god. Is this really happening? Oh my god, sobrang ganda. Ang ganda nito, girl. Maganda. Isang apply ko pa lang, girl. Wow. Pakaloka tong palette na to. I'll try to use this Fetish. This one, the Fetish. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh, tingnan mo girl. Ito na talaga yung palette na gagamitin ko every time I make my makeup transformation. Sobrang ganda girl. I'll try to use this frosting here. Wow! Kita niyo yun, guys? Para siyang ilaw. Woo! My God, sobrang ganda. And one thing I like about this palette is that sobrang laki talaga, guys, nung shadows. As in, pang malakasan. I'm gonna use a smaller brush and I'm gonna apply this on the lower layer. So I'm using the charm. And also gonna use this fetish. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna use this liquid eyeliner from Fashion 21. Okay, so I'm gonna start putting on my eyelashes. Alright, so I'm done putting on my eyelashes. Let me just brush these powders off. Also gonna put some contour. I'll be using this highlighter from Vice Cosmetics in the shade Splendid and apply it here. I'm gonna use this lipstick from Ever Belena Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade of Toast of New York. So I'm done putting on my lips. I'll just fix my hair.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had it.
Alright, so yeah, this is my final look for today. Look at that. Sobrang ganda ng eyeshadow, girl. So, this is my final look using this Jeffree Star Cosmetics, the Androgyny palette. What I can say is that it is so amazing. Like, seriously, guys. It's so good. This is really worth it. I would definitely suggest this one to you guys. You really have a lot of shades here. Kahit na nawasak yung poison, still, I'm happy that I have this palette. Thank you so much again, Tita Eunice, for giving me this palette. Itatago ko talaga to. Gagamitin ko lang to pag may ano lang. Pag gipawa na lang talaga ako ng vlogs. Thank you so much, Tita, and to Angel as well. Thank you so much. So yeah, I guess this is my look for today. This is again the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Androgyny eyeshadow palette. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below which part of the video is your favorite, and also click the subscribe button and share this with your friends. And if you want to be notified every time I have a new upload, make sure to click the notification bell down there beside the subscribe button. And again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see ya on the next one. Bye!